Oreos! Oh, whatever. Now the calf's twist.
Yeah!
Holy shit, that's a lot. It looks like a sundae right now. We might need a little bit more milk.
You can put some milk in there.
Yeah. Maybe add 2 more cookies afterwards. Let's see what happens. Such a mess. Like shit. What did you put it on? Frap?
I put it on all of them.
Damn it!
So much.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Shit. Dude, that's not coming off the side. I'm gonna have to scrape it off or something. That looks sick. In the camera, it looks sick on the camera.